Hello everyone and welcome back to Placement Seekers Hub channel. So in this video we are going to see interview experience of Capgemini company. So the job role for this interview was CIS. So it is a cloud infrastructure services and this interview was dated on 20th August. So before starting this video, make sure you have liked this video and also subscribe our channel to get the notification when the new video is posted. For the job updates, you can join our Telegram group, which the link for which is mentioned in the description box. So let's move to the video. So let's see what were the TR questions asked in this interview. So as usual, the first question was introduce yourself. So I have made one video in which all points should be included in the introduction are mentioned in that video. So make sure you have seen that video so it would be beneficial for you. Then the second question was which language do you prefer? So here language means the programming language. So make sure you tell the language which you are good at which. Then third question was tell me about final year project. So the final year project you should know each detail about your project. So it would be beneficial for you. After that, what was your role in it? So you need to explain what you did in your final year project. As final year project are the group projects, what was your role or what was your contribution towards that project should be given by you. After that, what's the difference between list and tuffles? So it is most commonly asked question. So we can say that there are three difference, mainly three difference I have mentioned here. So you can minimum you should give the three difference when any difference is asked for you by the interviewer. So here are the three difference related to list and tuffles. So the list are mutable, so which means that they can be edited. So value in the list can be edited after after inserting the values. In the tuffles, they are immutable, so we cannot edit the tuffles when we once inserted the value. Then the next is they are slower than the tuffles, means when we try to retrieve the data from the list, then the time required to retrieve the data is less than that of the required for the tuffles, and tuffles are faster than the list. And the syntax, so here in the syntax the difference is you can see the parenthesis. So curly bracket, round bracket and square bracket, this is the main difference in the syntax of the list and the tuffles. So the next question was is python is a programming language or a scripting language? So I need this answer from you guys, so please mention the answer in the comment section of this video. So let's see what is the correct answer for it. Then after that, the interviewer saw the resume of the candidate and start asking questions related to cloud, as the cloud was mentioned by the candidate in in his resume. So the first question was what is cloud? Then the next question was what are the types of the cloud? Then where the cloud is used? So once you mention any topic in a resume, make sure you know all the things related to that, so it would be great for you and also it would be beneficial for you. Then before cloud, how or where the data is stored? So as you know that the cloud is used to storing the large amount of the data. So when the cloud was not discovered, where do the data was stored initially? So this was the question. So as we know that all the hardwares were there. So the next question, what is AWS? So as we know, Amazon Web Services, it is one of the great platform nowadays, where the where we can use to hosting the websites, clouds, and all the facilities were given by them. Then in the AWS, where we can store the data. So let me answer this question. So here in the AWS we have the S3 bucket. So there we can that we can use to store the data. And what is EC2? So EC2 is one of the instance we required to launch it before doing any of the thing in the AWS. So what is the S3 limitation, like how much data we can store? So it generally depends upon the what kind of version you are using of the AWS. So it is a trial version or you are using the paid version. So depending upon that, the storage of the S3 varies. uh, after that uh, After that, the interviewer uh, said that uh, ask the questions related to the resume. So cricket, so what's your the favorite cricketer? So let me tell you one thing, guys. When the interviewer moves to the non-technical questions, it is most probably that you have done good with the with your interview, and most probably you will get the selection mail after the interview. So, and the next question was, and the last match you saw, who won the test cricket? So you should know know the things, all the things and the current affairs related to what you have mentioned in your resume. So if you don't know, then it would be not like that the cricket is your favorite sports or something. So this was all about the interview done by the candidate. So thank you for watching the whole video. Uh,